Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be reviewing the brand new MelodySusie dust collector. So, as you can see, here is the beautiful MelodySusie dust collector. And I'm sure some of you know that the MelodySusie brand is a very, very good brand and known for their e-files, which I do have one of their e-files and I absolutely love it. And I will be using it in this video today. So, I've actually already got her plugged in and ready. The plug goes right here on the side of the dust collector. And then in the front, when you plug it in, you'll see that little light up, and that is your on and off switch. And then you got high and low. Now, these buttons don't do anything if you're just pushing. You have to push the on button. You have to push the on and off button again to turn it on. So watch. This is going to be, when I first turn it on, it's going to be on fast. And as you can see, that little light lit up right there. Okay. See that? That's on high speed. Now, when I click the low speed, that's when it goes to low speed. And then I can click back again and go to high speed. Low speed, high speed, and off. First, I just want to say I have used this. I actually have used it for a few of my sets of nails. As you can see, it does have dust in there already. Okay, this is what the fan looks like. The rotation goes this way. And I'm pretty sure you can probably order more filters for it, which I'm pretty sure you can. But when you go and clean this, all you gotta do really is just like flip it and tap it into your trash can, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Oh, lots of dust, you guys. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on, can you see that dust? Look at all that dust right there. That is from my last few sets. Like I said, I have used it several times already. But you can actually take a blower, you know, one of those industrial blowers, and blow it out. Go outside and just blow it out. Or take a vacuum cleaner and vacuum it out, suction it out. This is the top that comes off and it can be cleaned. It does have a little lip right here. Little easy to grip lip. Just pop it up, and then it's got a little ribbon here that you can pull up the filter with. It fits nice and snug in there. I'm actually going to be filing this set. This is the McCart Quick Gel set that I did that you guys have probably already saw. But we're going to be filing these in this video. Here is the bottom. As you can see, it's got the nice air vents on the side. On the bottom here, it's got 4 little tabs to where it won't move around. This is the DR-3011. It is 100 to 200 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. The power is 24 wattage. Link for this and coupon code will be down below because MelodySusie is celebrating their 11th year, I think it is. I was right. It is their 11th year anniversary. So that is why they are coming out with some new items. So definitely go check out this dust collector. I am going to put the price up on the screen at the beginning of the video. So if you did miss the price on the screen, please go check it out at the beginning of my video. Also, guys, stay tuned because I am fixing to file these. So I will be right back and I'll show you how this puppy works in action. Alright, here is my MelodySusie portable e-file that I always use. I will leave a link for that down below as well if you're interested. I'm also using the fine bearable bit, and I will link the video to these bits in the cards. Putting the medium bit in, let's go ahead and turn this on. And I'm going to fast forward it as I'm filing, and I'll add some music, you guys. You can always already see some of the bigger chunks that came off of my nails. Wow. Not too bad. Not too bad. So I went ahead and dumped it off. So I think I got most of it out. I think it's sucking pretty good. We'll have to keep playing around with it to see, you know, on other, like on acrylics and things like that. Because these, I was just filing around my nails, nothing major. So I will keep including me filing different nails in this video, so you guys can see how well this performs. I know it's hard to see, you guys, but a lot of that is from last time, but there's a lot in there from this time too. A lot. So what I like to do, turn it on, and I like to take my brush and just push in the rest of those, push in the rest of that dust, and then take my brush and dust them off. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, my final thoughts on the MelodySusie dust collector. So far, so good. I am enjoying it. I have used it several times, but I want to try acrylics with this as well and let you guys know how it works. I like it for the price. It's not bad. It's not a bad deal. It suctions really well, as far as I can see, as far as I can tell. I'll just have to keep playing with it and update you guys on this. But like I said, MelodySusie is having their 11th anniversary sale. So head on over there. It ends October 31st. You can use the code that I put down below in the comment section or in my description box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you think it's worth it or not. And I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.